Hello there, friends, and welcome back to the garage. This is the 6th installment of my Fatbob build project. If you're not up to speed, check out the build playlist in the description below for the engine work. Last episode, I finished up with the torquing sequence on the heads. So now I can finish up the engine assembly. First on the agenda is to set up the S&S Quickie adjustable push rods. A simple procedure that is made easier by the vacuum bled tappets in Volume 3. So now all that is needed is to find top dead center on compression and set the length of the push rod so it can freely spin without any lateral movement. Medium strength thread locker is needed on the pushrod lock nut. To secure the lock nuts, you need a 3-spanner and/or wrench combo in 2 hands. Always double check your torques. With the engine engaged in top gear, I can turn the motor over with ease. Right now, I'm checking there is no binding and that the pushrod have the appropriate free play after some load is applied. Now with that, I can close the cam chest. I double-check that I have all O-rings fitted to the tubes nice and snug. To reapply the upper pushrod covers is simply done by using a flat blade screwdriver as a ramp. Fresh engine oil, full synthetic. With the bottom end taken care of, I can close up the rocker boxes. I have the upgraded rocker breather filters from Fueling Parts that are replacing the factory plastic units. I'm expecting higher engine temps now, so this upgrade should help reduce and filter some of the excessive oil vapor allowed into the air intake. I have never fitted these before, and the instructions were unclear on proper fitment. As they are bigger than the factory units, I found that the lower rocker cover needs to be fitted first to clear the chunky red breathers and the new roller rocker arms. Now that I have learnt from the rear head, I just need to remember that for the front, lower cover, breather, then rocker arms. Now that I've had a nice, cool glass of water, I can sort out the front head. I definitely didn't just forget the correct procedure from 5 minutes ago. First try. Okay, so now it's just the 7,000 fasteners for the upper rocker covers. Now the upper oil lines can go back on. With that, I can cap off the engine assembly with the air intake and exhaust system. It's the next morning and final day of work. With the increases in torque and horsepower, it is a good idea to upgrade the stock clutch. I have found that the stock softail clutch is suitable for the numbers I'm expecting by just increasing the spring pressure. This can easily be done by just removing the derby cover. By engaging top gear, I can turn the engine over easily to expose each clutch spring individually. Almost there, friends. I decided to finish up this build by upgrading my front suspension. I got a good deal on the Legends Axeo fork cartridge kit. They are a decent upgrade to the stock setup and pretty simple to fit if you have the right tools. I won't go into too much detail with these because I didn't capture great footage of the whole procedure, and there are plenty of instructional videos already available online. Like most modern motorcycle front ends, The compression and rebound loads are controlled by individual forks. Thus, disassembly and assembly are different procedures in fork oil volume between the left and right side. It has been a while since I have done an inverted front end on a Harley. So right now, I'm trying to remember if this crown nut is under spring pressure. Yes, it is. All good. Nothing to see here. Nice shifter, bro. Do they make that in men's? So that wraps up the mechanical work for this build. Off camera, I flash-tuned the ECU and carried out the engine break-in procedure. Once I have some miles on the engine, I can book it in for a proper dyno tune. And now,
all right, bye-bye.
well, thanks for watching, friends. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and leaving a like to help the channel grow. I will have more general motorcycle content coming, as well as individual reviews for the products fitted in this build series. Ring that bell so you don't miss that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you live in the Sydney area and need some work done on your bike, just reach out. Ride safe and keep going.